Hi, welcome to Designer. In this video, we'll show you how to use Wordgenie Hints. Wordgenie Hints is a premium feature that gives users the ability to request Wordgenie to use specific details in a subchapter of the outline. Click on a subchapter, then click the three dots to the left and select Wordgenie Hints. In the text box, you can add in your request for that subchapter. Then click Submit. You can do this for as many subchapters as you would like. The subchapters that you have added hints for will be underlined. You can edit or delete the hint as needed. Click Next and Wordgenie will create the text. Now let's check that the information that we requested was created. And it looks like Wordgenie followed our hint exactly as I expected it to. This feature makes it easier to make specific requests and have more control over the content of your ebook. Thanks for watching this video on Wordgenie Hints. Be sure to watch our other tutorial videos.